Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version, open SHOKZ application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings icon at the right top. Then click at the settings line, and at the third line we have upgrade firmware. Firmware version is the same as software, so just enter here. And if you see at the bottom button install, click at this button and you will update your software version and it can fix this problem. If you haven't new software version or it doesn't help you, next step in the application you need to return to the main menu and make sure that you disable dual connection. So right here I have multipoint pairing, I have it enabled, and we need to disable, because with this mod we may have connection instability. Now, if it also didn't help you, next step I recommended to perform a software set. So just turn off and turn on your headphones. At the bottom of the right headphone we have power button. Press and hold it until you will see the red LED light. We just turn off them. Now we need to turn on them, so press and hold again power button and you will see blue LED light. Here we go. Now your earbuds reconnect with your phone, so just check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, I recommend to perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, firstly we need to also turn off these headphones, so press and hold power button. Now we need to enter pairing mode, so press and hold power button until you will see that the LED lights start blinking blue and red. Firstly it's turned on, so it will have a blue LED light, but we keep holding, and right here we have red and blue. Then you need to press and hold simultaneously volume down, volume up and multifunctional button until you will see that the LED light turn off and you will hear also a sound. So again, press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, if you have this button, because not all Android phones have a button. If you haven't, I recommend it to do like on iOS, you need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return. But right now I have iOS 26 and it doesn't work to go back and return to the Bluetooth. Right now only helps to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. But maybe they will fix it in the future update. Now, you need to tap at your earbuds at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!